can I conclude that in your daily life, so there will be two types of meditation. The one that we normally have to do is the meditation on, like, concentrating on your breath. So if you have, after you have studied a lot, and say for example, like you said, loving kindness, so that will be a different meditation. So we don't combine the two together. Am I right?
Yeah, that's a good point. So these two, well, I didn't finish the whole thing, but the first two, stabilizing and analytical meditation, they are normally done at different times in different sessions, but it's also possible to combine the two once you know how to do it. You can combine them in one session. So, for example, when I earlier explained that if you want to use the visualization of the Buddha as your object of meditation for concentration, you first use analytical meditation to create the image, remember all the details, and then you stop the thinking process, the analytical process, and you just concentrate on what you have visualized. So you're using both analytical and concentration in the same meditation session. And there's also a way of combining it in another way, but I'll talk about that tomorrow. We'll do some more of that tomorrow. And yeah, just the last two as well, I didn't mention. There's another way of dividing meditations. One is meditating on an object in order to understand it. And examples of that are precious human life, impermanence, and so on. So there we are looking at some topic, some object, like impermanence or the preciousness of our life. We're trying to understand it better and bring about, a positive transformation of our mind. The second is meditating to transform the mind into the object. And examples of that are compassion, love, faith, and so on. So when we're doing a meditation on compassion or on love, we're not trying to just think about, compassion is like this and it's like that, and love is like this and like that, as if it's out there. But we are trying to transform our mind into compassion, into love or faith. So we're trying to generate that state of mind in our mind. So that's another division of meditation. But I think, we can go into that more tomorrow. Because like I say, I thought to talk about meditation on loving kindness, and we can do that together. So you can get a taste of analytical meditation. Is that helpful? Okay. So I think it's time to stop for today.